All right. Let's talk about our Service Hub AI item. And this is the customer agent. We discussed this is probably, it's funny that it started off in the service area and it's still under the service menu as we record this. But the customer agent is probably one of our most favorite agents within HubSpot. And so if you're thinking about utilizing it, you should be, because it is kind of like the AI chat flow within HubSpot that uses an LLM with all your data to answer questions. So I think it started out as just being a support resource. Now it can even do sales and do anything through that customer lifecycle. And what is actually very interesting in real life use here is that customers have picked up where the agent gets to a particular point, maybe can't answer a particular question. And if the handoff is done correctly, a couple of customers have made sales from it, which has been really cool. But the big thing that I want to highlight to people is that the knowledge gaps that it highlights. And why is this important? I'll tell you why. Because you very quickly figure out how people are interacting with it. What are they asking it? What do we not answer? So this has led to many of our customers creating short answers, fixing outdated content on their site, answering questions that people are asking, and making a better experience for people. So I think with all of this, and I think I told you this last time, Craig, was like, instead of waiting, a lot of people have this fear of, oh, I don't have the information. I'm going to wait. I'm going to see what's going to happen. Most people have enough information if they actually feed it the right information. And it doesn't have to be website pages or have to be a knowledge. Like a lot of customers don't have knowledge bases that we help, but they have lots of information on their website. They have lots of information in documents. So we can feed all of that information to get what we need, right? And so I think don't wait. I would be one of those people that says, hey, use this, figure out where the gaps are, and keep iterating and building, because that's the power of this customer agent that we're running.
Totally agree. One of our favorites for the year, customer agent keeps getting better.
And new things keep rolling out all the time with the way things get handed off, the information it can look and update. That's the other thing. So it can actually verify with the contact it's talking to via their email, and you can tell it, can it update certain properties? So if, like, for example, we don't have the company name and we want to figure out what company they work for, we can actually get that information and we give the agent authority to actually update that property. So those are the little things that are rolling out. And then there are other things which we haven't done where you could, like, this is the most common scenario. It's like, I could be talking to our agent and say, hey, I'm looking for my order. When is it going to be delivered? So if the system can connect via the API and collect the order information with an order number, you can say, oh yeah, it's going to be delivered on this particular day. So that's the other thing that you can do in the customer agent, which is quite exciting.
That's right. And logistics companies come to mind. I think they've integrated their logistic backend systems into customer agent and providing that beautiful experience.
So test the customer agent. That's my advice.
Yeah. And by the way, you can connect as a channel, for example, chatting with it or messaging or WhatsApp or even email. But they've added voice now as well. Is that beta, or I don't know if that's live?
It is a beta, Craig.
It's a beta, yeah.
Yeah, it's in beta. It sounds, now for us Aussies here, it sounds very American. But surprisingly, like, I was testing with a customer of ours and I was surprised at the way it worked. So yeah, you know what? It's only going to get better. Like, this is very exciting. What's going to happen? So test. It's like what we used to always say, right? Test and measure and see what's happening. And I think if that's more true even today than ever before.